Introducing QuestMark 2110, the trusted choice for floor repairs and patching in high-traffic environments. With its superior compressive strength, it's built to handle the toughest conditions, including steel wheels and forklifts. Ready to get started? Here's how it works. Step 1. Prepare the surface. Clean and vacuum thoroughly to ensure a clean, workable base for optimal adhesion and resurfacing success. Step 2. Mix the components of the package. Apply directly to damaged areas and compact it regularly. The resin-rich formula ensures high durability, strength, and optimal results. Watch as it cures quickly, creating a smooth, seamless surface. After curing, cut along the original joint line with a saw to restore the joint. Recommended for indoor use, QuestMark 2110 delivers long-lasting results in 6 available colors, perfect for everything from plant production aisles to high-traffic areas. This do-it-yourself product is easy to apply and fast-setting. QuestMark 2110, durability you can trust. Visit QuestMarkFlooring.com to learn more.